Just how do dinosaurs count to 10? If you've ever asked yourself that question, or ever even wondered how do dinosaurs count to 10, I have the perfect book for you. Jane Yolen's How Do Dinosaurs Count to 10 will have young students counting to 10 over and over again. Mark Teague's colorful, fun, and descriptive pictures in the story appeal to all readers, whether they are old or young, big or small. This fun fiction counting book was published by the Blue Sky Press of Scholastic Incorporated and copyrighted in 2004. This story invites all readers to have some big fun with some of their favorite dinosaurs as they count some of their favorite things like balloons and toy cars that might even be found in their very own bedroom. It will have them counting over and over again, just like their favorite dinosaurs do in the book. This book is great for practicing counting from 1 to 10 since it gives great visuals that all students can follow along with. When reading this book, students can make a list of the objects they read about and see, and then draw pictures to match up with it. So they're giving you the number and the objects and how many objects there were all in one picture. This standard goes along with KCC. This activity goes along with the standard KCC B4A, which states that when counting objects, say the number names in the standard order, pairing each object with one and only one number name, and each number with one and only one object. As the class discusses the book and the different things they saw within the story, this would be a great opportunity for them to fill out a recording sheet. They can give you the number and the numerical number, and then they would have to draw the object that goes along with that number, or objects if it's bigger than 1, to match up with the number. This would give all students a great number sense to have while working to count on past 10. This is an even better activity for your students who might be English language learners because this will establish a strong foundation with their number sense. As they write the numbers, such as the number 2, they would draw the amount of objects that would match. So for example, if you saw 2 balloons in the story, the student would write the numerical number 2, and then they would draw 2 balloons to match up. This would make sure that they have that strong foundation so they know the number 2 represents 2 things, and this will help them be able to count on way past 10 because they will understand that each number represents a certain amount. This will give, like I said, this will give all students a great sense for foundational numbers 1 through 10 as they begin to get ready to count on past the number 10. And I just think that this activity is so great, especially for kindergartners in the first couple weeks of school, because you'll be able to see what they came to school ready to do before you work towards that goal of counting to 100 by the end of pre-K. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great night.